Hello, English 100. It is now the beginning of week 3. I hope you guys are doing okay. We have a heat wave, we have wildfire smoke, and we still have a pandemic. So I hope you and your families are safe. Okay, a couple things about getting started on week 3. First, a reminder that you have to submit your notes in English 100S. And here's the spot for the week 3 notes. I know this has been hard for a lot of people to figure out the technology. Once you figured it out, though, I hope it'll be smooth sailing as we go forward. Really, the big challenge, I think, is just arranging your crazy life so that you can read 6 hours a week plus do 3 hours a week in class. Okay. Also, I hope everyone has watched the video of our tutor, Jed, and I hope you have all sent him an email, which was one of your tasks for last week. So Jed will do a great job helping you out. All right, English 100. Don't forget to click on the announcements when you go to Canvas. And it's really important to do everything in the module. I've been sending people emails who haven't done all the assignments or to try to figure out what's going on, and maybe the trick is just to make sure to start at the beginning of the module and do every single thing step by step. So I do want you to check your grades every week and see what comments I'm giving you. And then click Next. You go to the next thing in your module. We're getting up to page 121 in the book. Click Next. And make sure you do every step until you get to the end of the module. We are getting close to Essay 1. So I hope everyone gets on track this week so that you'll be ready to write the essay when we get there. And of course you click Next, and you have to keep going till you get to the end of the module. Okay, so many people have sent me emails and texts asking questions. I think that's really good, so keep doing that. But I also want to encourage you to come to office hour. The office hour is listed right here. You can try me at other times too. And all you do is click on Alex's office. So at some point we just need to talk. So definitely try out office hour. And when we get to work on the essay, the office hour will be really, really important. Okay, thanks everyone.